This is Vancouver, home to the 2010 Winter Olympics, nicknamed the Hollywood of the North, and is consistently voted one of the best cities to live in the world. And this is St. Giles, Vancouver, located in the downtown business area. It's just a 10-minute walk from the famous Stanley Park, art galleries, museums, and the city's beautiful beaches. Vancouver is a small, friendly city that's very multicultural, and it doesn't get too cold in the winter, and believe it or not, it rarely snows. Everything in the center is within walking distance, and St. Giles, Vancouver reflects the city, caring and inclusive. St. Giles, Vancouver is one of our smaller centers with just 150 students. This school offers lots of personal attention, making it ideal for students traveling for the first time on their own. It also has a Platinum Center, one of the few schools in Vancouver offering tailor-made business programs. We have plenty of experience. Some of our teachers have been at St. Giles, Vancouver for over 10 years.
We're close to the water, we're surrounded by the beautiful mountains, so physically we've got a beautiful location. And as well, Vancouver is so well known for being multicultural, and so we reflect that not only in this city, but in the school itself. And also we're a very friendly social school, so they have a lot of opportunities to actually use their English.
The modern facilities give St. Giles, Vancouver a professional and friendly feel, with a great mix of students from all over the world.
I'm from Brazil.
I'm from Switzerland.
I really could improve my English here because of the teachers.
I will definitely recommend St. Giles because you can meet a lot of people, have a lot of fun, and learn English with good facilities and good location in downtown.
And if you love the outdoors, you'll love Vancouver. Surrounded by the mountains, St. Giles, Vancouver offers trips to Whistler and the Rocky Mountains, as well as a whole host of sporting events. Our daily social program even includes cycling, sailing, shopping, and going to watch ice hockey or football games. Students can choose from a wide range of accommodation within easy reach of the school, including hotels, residences, and homestays.
I want not only the student to come and have a good Canadian adventure and experience, but I also want the homestay family to gain a lifelong friend and a member of their family.
With the outdoor life and teaching excellence, St. Giles, Vancouver showcases the best of Canada with an impressive learning experience.